Good morning, friends. So in today's tutorial I will tell you how you can create your funnel. So the first step is to log in, and after you have successfully logged in, you must you will land up here on the funnels page, and these are the funnels that I have created already. And in order to create your own new funnel, you must click on this button, new. Click on new funnel. It will give you 6 templates telling you which kind of funnel you would like to create. Suppose you are making a sales page, you need to create a sales funnel. If you are having a product launch, choose this one, and the same case for membership, emails, for a live webinar or a replay webinar. You can choose the funnel accordingly. Suppose I will choose live webinar. I click on next, and here I have to give my funnel name. I'll write the funnel name as XFunnels tutorial videos. Funnel tag would be XFunnels tutorial, or anything which makes your funnel easily searchable. I'll click on create funnel. It says that the funnel has been created successfully, and this is the funnel. I have XFunnels tutorial videos. It has 2 steps in it: the webinar registration and the webinar confirmation. Here is the first step, and I'll choose a template for this. While clicking on the I'll select webinar registration. Exactly. I'll choose this one. Okay. After getting selected, as you can see, you have A/B testing off. That is why only the A part would have a template and the B part is blurred. That means it does not have a template as of now. So this is the way you can create your funnel. Here is the template that I selected, and if you want to edit the template, you can click edit in builder, and then you can go on to edit the templates. And in the same manner, I'll go for webinar confirmation. I will choose a template for this page, and this is webinar confirmation, and I'll choose the first one, and here I go. I have 2 active pages in the funnel. So that is how you create your funnel. Thank you.